Howdy, Apollo Hernandez here. I'm a security advisor at Splunk. Let's talk about a smarter, faster way to detect threats and prevent fraud. The Splunk app for behavior profiling. This app uses machine learning to analyze historical behavior across users, systems, and devices, then builds a dynamic baseline that reflects what normal looks like in your environment. From there, it continuously flags deviations that could signal risk, like insider threats, data exfiltration, or financial fraud. You get pre-built dashboards and intuitive visualizations that make it easy to detect anomalies like odd login times or sudden spikes in transactions. And this is in real time. And the best part, besides being free, it's fully customizable. Whether you're in finance, healthcare, retail, or public sector, you can tailor the app to your unique operational and risk context, reducing false positives and saving analysts time. Ready to make your security operations smarter? Download the Splunk app for behavior profiling today from Splunkbase. And for tips, use cases, and walkthroughs, check out Splunk Lantern and the Splunk blog. And remember, proactive security starts with understanding behavior. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.